Decided to do some shopping. I'm at the Woodridge to buy some taro. So I've decided to come to the Woodridge markets on a Sunday. I've never bought anything here before. I've never been here before actually. So I'm going to check it out and see how we go, so this is the Woodridge Markets. Check this out. It's truly a multicultural experience. This is Woodridge in Logan City, south of Brisbane. So I'm here to buy some taro. Never been here before, even though I've lived here, 40 odd years. So this is going to be good. This green bananas was just plantain. It's a Polynesian delicacy. You got your lady fingers, some Cavendish. But I'm interested in taros. So let's see. How your taro's quality like, eh? It should be alright?
Very nice.
Alright.
So, white one, that's purple one.
Do you know the difference? Where are they from?
From here, we grow it Thornlands.
Thornlands, here in Queensland.
Yeah.
Amazing.
For your parts, you drop your parts.
Oh, that's a problem. What about
Purple
do you,
and white.
Which one is that?
That one is fluffy. When you cook, it's fluffy, more fluffy.
do you have any from the Pacific Islands?
I'm a Pacific Islander, but I go here, so I can't bring it the one from Tonga.
Yeah, okay.
But this one here, it's when you cook it, it's more flour, more purple. But this one, when you cook, it's just cooked well and tastes, but not that very taste like that. You can mix them and see when you cook, but it comes white and this one will be purple.
Okay, well, what I might try and do, I'll try both, eh? Let's see how we go. It's a bit small though, eh?
Yeah, that's because that's the mother of the little ones, so that's the biggest they can go for because they bring too many babies.
Alright, yeah, but it's a nutrition as well. So how much is that, by the way?
This one is $10.50.
$10.50. Well, I'll try, yeah, I'll take that and I'll try that. We'll see how we go, eh?
This one is a Japanese one, this one is just a normal white. Yeah. 14 altogether.
14?
What did you want? I know, but you can't just come in. Are you from?
I'm Samoan.
Samoan, they like the hard one. Hard coffee, that one.
No, I don't eat yams. No, we eat taros in Samoa. We don't eat yams.
But I mean, that's the yam that they like, the hard one.
Okay. I'm not sure. This is my first time here.
But yeah, they like the hard taro and they like the...
Well, I'm going to try this and see how we go, right?
Oh, good.
Appreciate
I'm
that.
always here every Sunday.
Wonderful. Oh, yeah.
Until the season is over.
Alright, and that is...
Until spring, summer comes, we start growing again. Winter is the last lot of harvest.
Okay, alright. Thank you very much.
Okay.
You can see this is could be a scene in Auckland in New Zealand, but it's Logan City here in Brisbane. This is one side of New Zealand of Australia that I've never seen. Well, in Brisbane anyway. Well, I'm going to continue shopping. I'm going to buy some luau from the Samoan shop. So I'll talk to you later, eh? This is still part of Woodridge Markets. Very multicultural. Oh, Teresa Lane, I used to do some work with her when I was once a member of the ALP. Anyway.